Hello growmies, I'm here to show y'all how easy it is to start up a tray of micro cilantro. Yes, we're looking into some microgreens here, but this is my favorite by far, cilantro. I mean, you can use it on tacos, anything. I mean, it actually has more flavor than mature cilantro, in my opinion. So we're gonna dive into that. We got a little watering system here that waters from either like a 2 liter to something as small as this, and it's a little clay terracotta, basically carrot. They call them carrots. It's a Blumat. But got me a little tray, 6x6 tray, some water, cilantro seeds from True Leaf, and this market, or this, yeah, True Leaf market right there. This is the place to get your seeds. I mean, they're amazing quality, high germination, clean, everything. So that's the place to get the seeds, guys. Alright, so I got the bag opened. I'm just going to dump out some seeds here. It takes more than you would imagine to do a microgreen tray, because there's so many side by side. But for cilantro, they're hard shell. And it's actually best to increase germination success to kind of crush them. So what I like to do is just take these 2 pieces of MDF, take this all in, roll it over the seeds, just roll it over them like that, break them up, crunch them up, just like that. Alright, so after my seeds have soaked, like I said, these have soaked for about 20 hours now. I'm pouring them out, straining them on a paper towel. And I got a lot of them here in the cup too. But I strain them out. And then you just sprinkle them like this. You'll fill that whole tray up with seeds. And what I do is I kind of get a little bit more cocoa, sprinkle it on top. Cilantro likes to be covered and dark, so I sprinkle a little bit more cocoa on top, and then I do a dark out period where I put another tray on top of this one. Do that for about 4 days, take it off, and then see if they've sprouted tap roots. And from there, you just keep it under lights. I got me a tray of bunching onions over here. Some onions, scallions. Just have that underneath the light. And that's simple to do microgreens. I guarantee doing this for the first time, you'll be surprised with how many seeds a tray of microgreens takes. I mean, look at all these seeds. It's pretty wild. I have probably a couple hundred seeds here, and I'm still going to have some patchiness with the tray, but that's fine. I'm just going to go with it. Spread some cocoa around on top. And from there, we'll just put another tray on top of that. And in a couple days, open her up and see where we're at. Putting a tray on top of this bad boy so it can have a dark cycle. And until next time, growmies, keep on growing.